Hey guys, welcome to another cooking video. So today I'll be making chicken ham fried rice. So the first thing is add 1 tablespoon of oil, let it get hot, and cook 3 eggs. So I begin to stir them up and scramble them. After the eggs are done, oopsie, I dropped some there. Remove and set aside in a bowl. So next I added another tablespoon of oil, and then I added 1 tablespoon of butter. So I'm waiting for the butter to melt completely before I add half of medium onion, all diced and chopped up. And here goes the onion. Inside it goes. I'm gonna let the onion cook for a few minutes until it turns a little bit translucent. Going in is the ham. I'm using this Kentucky Legend Hickory Smoked Diced Ham. It is gluten-free and 40% less sodium, which that is good. What I love about this ham is that it's very tiny little bits of pieces all diced up, so it's perfect for this fried rice. And I added the whole bag, and the bag contained 8 ounces, so I'm just mixing up the onion and the ham together. So the next thing I added, I wasn't originally gonna add chicken breast, but then my mom told me to add some so it could be more flavorful. So I'm adding this Tyson chicken breast. They're chicken strips already fully cooked. They're grilled, the grilled kind. I just defrosted it and chopped it up into little pieces matching the ham sizes. So now I'm just mixing it all up together. The next thing I add in, these are frozen veggies. I waited for it to get thawed a little bit. This is half a cup of peas and carrots. So mixing it up all together now. It may look like I'm adding the ingredients fast, but this is just editing. I do let them cook and get the flavors blended together like for a good 1 or 2 minutes. So what I just added in was 2 tablespoons of green onions all chopped up. Next is the main ingredient, the rice. This is 1-day-old rice. This is about 3 cups, and the rice that I use is parboiled. I don't know if you're supposed to use a specific rice, but I use parboiled rice. So now I'm just mixing it all in together. Little close up here, I'm just making sure I mix all the ingredients in with the rice. Next, I add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. In the video, I only show you 2 tablespoons, but then I went in and added an extra tablespoon, which I think I shouldn't have because it made the rice slightly salty, unless you're using like low sodium soy sauce, but 2 tablespoons was enough for this much of rice that I was doing. Next, the eggs go back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the eggs in with the rice. And lastly, I added 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and then some pepper. I did not add salt because the soy sauce already has salt. So the rice is already done. I'm just mixing it in here. And the video I use as reference, they added 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, but I didn't have none, so I just added the vegetable oil, a teaspoon only. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.